back again with another vlog. We're gonna hit the trails today, son. We gonna get it. Where we going today, Kyle?
We're gonna go to Lanier, we're gonna go to a Jeep trail, and then we're gonna go to Grand Park Mountain if Mother Nature doesn't mess us up.
You right, because we headed straight to the storm, son. Straight to the storm. But we got, like how long of a drive, guys? Look at this.
Like a 2-hour drive.
2 hours, son.
And then another 30 minutes to Grand Park Mountain.
Oh my. Guys, we're gonna do it though. Alright, we'll hit you back with some updates along our 2-hour long drive.
It's the blood calling, don't worry about that.
Right. Scudda!
We got that annoying sound go away.
Yeah, it's gone now for right now.
Because we're not going above 55 miles per hour. That's a Jeep fact. If you're going above 55 and you have a light bar up there,
your ears are gone. Alright guys, what's up? We made a little pit stop here. And
IHOP gives you the poops. Don't eat chicken tenders.
Well, we only got, what, about
3 minutes.
Alright, we have about 3 minutes to our destination here. Yeah.
Don't eat IHOP.
Don't eat out.
We might go to Grandfather.
We might. I just want to walk across the bridge.
Yeah, that's all I want to do.
And
We gotta pay $20. He's gonna hide in the back.
Yeah, I'm gonna hide in the trunk.
Or hey, I'm gonna hide in the trunk. Either one. Not since I'm smaller. Since I'm below 6 foot.
Yeah.
But and sometimes the reasons why I understand why Brandon don't go to public restrooms is because somebody likes to knock every 5 seconds while you're doing your business.
Every time.
But that was the first time I ever had to be. But I knew if I farted, I was short, and that wouldn't be good. He has a rough heart.
Yeah.
Going all the way up there. God, it's a rainbow.
I believe we are in the Great Smoky Mountains. JK.
That'd be typical Americans.
Wait, did you turn on the blinker?
Yes, I did. I turned on the blinker.
Like, did you just turn on your blinker?
Yeah, I turned on the blinker to make a turn, but we weren't even turning. We were just going around the curve.
I mean, the turns are sharp enough to be.
Yeah, pretty much.
I mean, they might as well just put stop signs.
Yeah, they might as well just put a stop sign at right here. You might as well just put a turn signal on, stop, and then go. Golly. Okay, well, we made it.
Okay, well, we made it here, guys.
We made it.
Well,
we're going to go down it.
Sure. Down that side or down that side?
Down that side.
Oh, we're going down that one. All right. Well, they're watching.
All right.
So if you get stuck,
all right.
just rubbing.
Just rubbing.
They're gonna be like, "Yep, dude, you just watch us like get stuck."
Watch us get stuck. I don't think we're gonna get stuck.
Oh, look at that. That was a baby one.
That was baby.
What? Right through it, son. Right through. All the people back there were just watching us. They were like, oh, they're not going to make it. But guess what? We got daddy's money, son.
We got dad's money. They were just watching us like, they're not going to make it.
Yeah, they're not going to make it.
Hey, it's just a V40. This is front wheel drive. So this is just a bike with. This is the stick.
Oh, Mike, that's just fake.
That's my manual stick right there.
Somebody coming, there's somebody coming, there's somebody coming, there's somebody coming. Oh.
Oh, it's just a Jeep. If they're coming, we're going.
Well, I guess we're reversing here, I guess.
Reversing.
I guess we'll follow them. We're gonna follow them. Whichever way they go. That is not.
That sounds good too. Is it in that kind? It's interesting. There's no problem.
Yeah. I guess we're gonna follow them, guys. I guess we are gonna do it.
If we all get trespassed, we all get trespassed. Bump it.
You're right.
Bump it.
Dude, they probably came down here because they saw us.
Probably.
They come down here, so they were probably waiting.
Yeah.
That's probably the lot for sale.
Nah. That's posted. Private property. They're probably waiting for somebody else to go first.
Yeah, that's probably what they were waiting on. You might want to shut off your headlight. True. Yeah, the guy probably thinks you're like flashing him or something with one light. You're trying to wink at him. You're trying to wink at him. needs some new like shocks and like an axle arms and.
I don't know. They're pretty good. Are they being like real or?
I don't know.
No.
You know, we'll have to assess some damage from all the clicking. They'd probably hook that side this time.
Got Chase stuck.
Like if that thing has a hard time climbing anything, you know we're gonna have a hard time climbing things. So we might want to put it back down at four low up here, or here. It don't matter. We'll get back to you real fast. Guys, we just went up that. We just went up that little steep incline right there. Holy cow! This is getting some nerve-wracking stuff right here. Boy, Collar, I don't know how he's doing it. Brave soul, son. Whew. You want to plug off that side over there?
Got a little muddy. Oh, I'm stressed out and I'm just trying to be cool.
Just think the Razor would stand no chance down here.
The Razor would stand no chance?
No chance.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a drop, man. Oh, wow, that is a drop.
Oh, you already know what that means.
Somebody's stuck.
Oh, maybe not. I think we ran out of no trespassing signs.
I think we did too.
I think that's a good thing. Look at that. We got that one. We got that one in the bank. Yeah, we're slowly running out of battery life here. Hopefully we get to the end of this road soon. And then we'll hit the grandfather mountain then. You know what I'm saying?
I know what I'm saying.
This is actually really pretty. I mean, this part, like if the road was just like all like this, that'd be awesome. You know?
He hugged this, so I'm gonna hug this.
They should have definitely said not for beginner though.
Yeah, they should put that in the beginning.
You know, we should like write a review,
Yeah.
not for
Put it in
beginner.
yield.
Yeah,
Put it in
definitely not for beginner.
And for low, evidently, there's no traction.
Because it's all torque and you're on wet rocks.
Yeah.
Ooh. Take the monster truck down here, right?
Yeah, I don't think the monster truck
No.
will fit. They couldn't make this sharp turn, Brandon. Bring the Charger right here.
We wouldn't have an undercarriage. We wouldn't have any axles.
We wouldn't have no bumper.
Hopefully that was the only scary part was that one part. Hopefully. Because we were like straight up at one point. That was,
Uh-huh.
I mean, too bad we didn't get that part on the
Yeah,
vlog.
too bad we didn't get that one video. We were like,
Yeah, that was just a hair scary.
go straight up.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks like a dead end. Just in case you spin them tires in this? Oh, man. We got this though. This, like all this part is easy to
Yeah, because we got 37-inch tires.
Yeah, half the tires out of the water, or 3/4 of the tires out of the water. I really like that FJ though. I'm gonna just keep saying that the rest of this video. I really like the way it's set up. You know, it's like clean looking.
For a Toyota.
Yeah, for a Toyota. That's a freaking drop though.
It's got,
That's like you break your neck, your back, your legs.
see how far we're up anyways. Hey, we got service out here. Let's see how far we're up.
Snapchat, add cow, STVG, _cow.
Hey, let's just hit this log.
It's just not, because that's a fall.
No, this log.
Yeah, you hit that, it's gonna knock us off and doo, broken neck, back, legs,
Pop that tire can squeeze in between that.
toes. Yes. Like they're waiting. They're probably like, oh,
barely. God.
well, watch your head.
That's easy.
Okay, but question: follow them, or keep going down the road that looks peaceful?
I got mud. What are they stopping for?
They're probably figuring out where they gotta go next.
It better not be that.
That's a hill. If not, just think, you know what we have to go back down. Alright guys, we are moving. We're finally on the run. We will come back when it's dry. We'll actually come back with friends and we'll attempt that. But for right now, we were just gonna get down the road and follow them because we're not trying to get stuck.
That looks like private property. Oh, that's a graveyard.
Oh my. So we are getting back to the road then. We're getting closer back to the road then. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know, dude. That don't look very. The maintenance man didn't come mow that. That's disrespecting the old people. There's probably a Bigfoot comes out, eats their bones, and you know. Because Bigfoot does exist.
Alright, so now we're Bigfoot. We're Bigfoot watchers now.
We're Bigfoot watchers, Jeep jobbing, Bigfoot loving.
Bigfoot loving.
My feet got cold because I took a picture for it because it was a must. But,
picture will be live on Instagram.
Yeah, it will be live on Instagram or with the other Grandfather Mountain picture. But you need to follow me on Instagram, STVG_Kyle, KYLE, and then
link in the description.
Yeah, or you need to follow Brandon, STVG Brandon_Alex, and that is his middle name. I'm gonna get smacked with a tree branch in my ear about every 20 seconds. Yeah, if I took the doors off, it would be a little filthy.
Yeah. Let's see if it was dry too, it would be a little bit better.
Yeah. I keep putting it on. I keep putting it on.
You get whatever they're called?
I'm getting smacked with a tree limb. This is not for beginners.
Definitely not.
This is for like Master Prestige.
Master Prestige.
Like my Master Prestige Modern Warfare 2 level. With the
50 plus.
With that Iverson.
Yeah.
The Iverson and the M4A1 with a suppressor and a heartbeat sensor. Nothing can beat that. And a sticky grenade and a flashbang. Let me tell you what. And then if you get that AC-130 kill streak, you are pumping some meat out there.
Alright guys, I'm just hitting you back with a little update. We're still going through. The roads have been kind of like this for a while now, so we just kind of, doing just a little update here, you know.
We had to take a leak, and Brandon went to go pee. He ran. Then once he ran back, I hopped out and took a pee, and we got a little bit behind, but we caught up.
Yeah, we got back up to him. Yeah. So we will hit you back with updates if anything crazy happens. So.
And another thing, don't go alone at this place.
Yeah, never to this place. Oh, this is definitely not for the beginner at all. Alright, so we'll hit you back as soon as something entertaining happens. Alright, peace. Alright guys, we actually made it out so far. We got some houses here, but yeah, like we made it out. Alright guys, we pulled over at an Outlook place here. And obviously we can't see nothing because it's all fogged up, but yeah, I think it's all still alive. We got a little glitchy there, but yeah. Why?
I looked at the bag and I was like, why is there a reverse flag?
That's why I looked at it and it started rolling. I was like, what do I do? Like, what am I? It's not too bad.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing's broken though. We're definitely still alive, guys. All right, we'll hit you back. Peace. Yeah, we about died, but peace. All right, guys. The rain kind of pushed us out, so we didn't get to go to Grandfather Mountain today, but
the road kind of it's like broken from all the rain up there.
Yeah, so there was trees everywhere, and there's potholes. And
we almost had a dump truck come right at us.
Yeah, we almost died. So
come around the corner. We need to get in that lane. Anyways.
So we're planning a whole nother trip. We're gonna take the Charger out, hopefully meet up with another Challenger, take the Jeep, and we're also gonna do like cruises on the Blue Ridge Parkway. So we got a lot planned for next trip, but
and then that's a sports edition. Anyways, flex fuel. But anyways, what else? Oh, and we might try to do that trespassing place again because we're going to invite him to our cookout.
Yeah, our cookout next time, right?
I'll invite him to our cookout.
But yeah, so stay tuned till next time, and we're gonna peace out and end this vlog here. So
Daddy's money.
Peace.